Time is a steady, rhythmic march until the sudden moment history is rewritten in a blinding flash that the world almost missed entirely. June 30th, 1908. Deep within the vast, frozen heart of the Siberian taiga, a serene dawn was about to be shattered by a celestial intruder. Suddenly, a light so intense it outshone the morning sun tore across the sky, followed by a shockwave that defied all human comprehension. 80 million trees were flattened in a single heartbeat. A force 1,000 times more powerful than the atomic blast at Hiroshima. It began as a cosmic traveler, a massive stony meteoroid screaming through the Earth's atmosphere at 40,000 miles per hour. Witnesses hundreds of miles away described a column of blue fire, a second sun that seemed to split the very heavens in two. Then, 5 miles above the surface, the object reached its breaking point. It didn't impact the ground, it exploded in the air. The epicenter was the remote Podkamennaya Tunguska River, a region so isolated it would take nearly 2 decades for the world to investigate. When explorers finally reached the Valley of the Dead, they found a graveyard of charred trunks stretching as far as the eye could see. The blast zone formed a perfect butterfly shape, a peculiar signature that allowed scientists to reconstruct the angle and power of the airburst. Even thousands of miles away in Europe, the night sky glowed with a strange, eerie luminescence that lasted for 3 consecutive nights. In 1921, Leonid Kulik led the first expedition. He battled the unforgiving swamps and swarms of insects, searching for a legendary crater. But there was no crater, no giant hole in the earth. Only the silent, standing telegraph poles, trees stripped of their bark, but left upright. Later, microscopic silicate spherules were discovered in the soil, the literal dust of a cosmic visitor trapped in the layers of the Earth. For years, theories ran wild. Was it antimatter, a miniature black hole, or perhaps even the crash of an extraterrestrial vessel? Today, consensus points to a stony asteroid. It was the perfect storm of size, speed, and composition to disintegrate before impact. In 1908, the extreme isolation of Siberia meant the event was a mystery. There were no phones, no radios, only the silence of the taiga. If the Earth had rotated just 4 hours more, the Tunguska object would have leveled St. Petersburg or London, killing millions. Now we watch the skies. Modern satellite systems track near-Earth objects, hoping to prevent the next great mystery before it arrives. The forest has largely recovered, yet the ghostly outline of the 1908 blast remains visible from above, a permanent scar on the land. The Tunguska explosion remains nature's most powerful warning, a reminder of our fragility in a vast and often violent solar system.